Look, let's not mince words. It's not easy to make your living in the music industry. Any school, anybody, any person who tells you that it is lying to you. You need skills, but you also need connections. Hundreds of connections. The more people that know you and your work, the better off you'll be. There's an old saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Maybe some of that is true, but let me put something else before you. It's not who you know. It's actually who knows you. That's why at the Recording Connection, we don't just train you in the best possible way, one-on-one as an apprentice in a real recording studio. It's why we guarantee all graduates in good standing a minimum of 100 vital business connections. We look forward to working with you.